to my channel, or I should say my journal, because I'm gonna show you guys step by step my transformation. But today I will be talking about glutes. I know, shocking, a girl on YouTube talking about glutes. So today I'm gonna show you the top 8 exercises that are going to help you to give it that nice and rounded shape. Today I will be talking about your glute max. It is the biggest and most powerful muscle that we have in our body. I know that we all want to work on our glutes because we want a big butt, like, you know, we want curves, we want all of that. But at the same time, having a strong glutes, it's super important. It's gonna help you with your lower back pain. If you can't hit a new PR in your deadlifts, working on your glutes, it's going to help you. I will do a second part for the glute medius. I will be showing you the exercises for that muscle in the next video, because otherwise this video is gonna be too long. So let's get started. Alright, our first exercise is kettlebell swings. This exercise is really good. It burns so good. I love it. I'm gonna give you some tricks that are gonna help you. Just place the kettlebell right in front of you. Just give it like a little distance, and when you start the movement, try to have the kettlebell like slightly going towards your body so you can have that nice swing. You want to have your knees slightly bent. Don't lock them. Lift the kettlebell and let it swing between your legs. Keep your back flat and your neck straight. Another tip that I have for this exercise is the kettlebell should not go higher than your shoulders, and once the kettlebell is here, it's all in the hips. So just imagine you're humping the air. Basically, I'm sorry, I know that's too graphic. Always remember to keep that mind-muscle connection. Back extensions. There are different ways to do this exercise. A lot of people do it with their back straight, which your glutes are not really working. Because when you have your back straight and you go all the way up, it's more like a spinal extension. Therefore, you're gonna feel it more in your lower back. The way I like it and the way I really feel it is when I round my upper back. I feel my glutes working and my hammies. Also, I position my feet in a 45-degree angle, almost like a sumo deadlift stand. Relax and round your upper back. As you come up, I'm gonna say it again, hump the machine. Just really squeeze the shit out of your glutes. With this exercise, you can also add, where do I have that? You can add this band. You can also add some weight, and yeah. The way you do this exercise is you're laid down, facing up on the floor. Lift your hips off the ground until your knees, hips, and shoulders form a straight line. You can do this exercise with an elastic band. You can also add a barbell and add some weight. I usually do the banded glute bridges at the beginning of my routine as a warm-up. Step ups. The way I like to do this exercise is with one leg at a time, because that's the way I feel my glutes working. And as I come up, I bring my other leg up and I do a 90-degree angle with that leg. You just want to keep your weight on the foot that you're using on the bench. Basically, you just shift your body weight into your heels. You can also add dumbbells to this exercise to feel your glutes burning even more. Hip thrust. This is a life-changing exercise. This is the best exercise, and if you are not doing this exercise, you're doing something wrong. But yeah, this is the best exercise you can do for your glutes. And when performing this exercise, you also want to get one of these, just because it helps to protect your hips. And the way you place the bar with this exercise is over the crease of the hips. Bring your feet towards your butt. Toes can be pointed straight ahead or turned slightly out. Move the weight with the glutes, not the hamstrings. You should feel your glutes burning. And once you're up, contract your glutes at the top and don't overextend the lower back. You want to maintain a neutral spine at the top of the movement, okay? Please make sure that you're keeping a neutral neck position throughout the movement. Also, you have to make sure that you're going all the way up, otherwise there's not going to be hip extension. Kickbacks is an isolation exercise. Just keep your knees slightly bent, keep your spine neutral, don't arch your back, because otherwise you're gonna have a lower back pain. Romanian Deadlift. I know this exercise mainly targets the hamstrings, but it also targets the glutes through hip extension. The way you do this exercise is just hold the bar at a hip level, knees slightly bent down. Lower your back by moving your butt back as far as you can. Keep the bar close to your body. When doing this exercise, go just below your knee. Avoid going all the way down when you're doing this exercise, okay? Lunges. This exercise targets so many muscles in just one movement. It targets your quads, glutes, and hamstrings. When performing this exercise, you want to keep your back straight, your chin up, and engage your core. Lower your hips until both knees are bent at about 90 degrees. Make sure your front knee is directly above your ankle. That was it for the first part of this video. Don't forget to check the second part. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye, I'm Sara, and see you next time.